Hi, this is Linda. Today we're going to talk about Windows Storage Sense versus the Windows Disk Cleanup. Since Windows 10 has come out, they've been slowly introducing a lot of new ways to do things, and now Storage Sense is going to eventually take the place of the Windows Disk Cleanup. That's been around for years and years. They haven't said when they're going to not use it again or not show it to us. Right now it's still available, but I thought we'd go ahead and take a look at what Storage Sense does, and we'll take a look at disk cleanup as well. But you can see here we're going to talk about a new way to manage your disk space and cleaning up your temp files, etc. This is especially important if you have a solid state disk drive, which I have here on my laptop and also on my desktop. It's can set it to clean up things automatically. And also with the October update, if you have that, and I do have it here on my laptop so I can show you, you can also use it to manage your OneDrive and SharePoint files. Say if you had files that were taking space up on your drive, and Windows will just look out for that if you tell it to, and notice if you haven't opened that file in maybe 30 days, it's going to put it back in the cloud. You can still see it, but it just won't be taking up space. So you do get actually a lot more than you do with the disk cleanup. So let's take a look. Now to get to it, all you have to do is type in storage, and it's under storage settings. So we'll open that up, and it is off by default. This tells you what you've got left. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, and then we can say free up space now. And that is going to scan everything, and it's going to say, here's where we can get rid of things, and it's going to show you how much you can save. And this is a lot easier to read, I think, than the disk cleanup. So we'll look at that here in a minute. But what I do want to point out, as in with disk cleanup, you can also clean up your Windows, get a new update with Windows. It puts on a lot of stuff. And I'm going to leave that on for now because I just did some updates not too long ago, and I never want to have my downloads taken out, and we'll show you how to set that. And then these are just other things here that you can decide you want to get rid of. I'm going to come down here, and I'm going to say remove these files. That was pretty quick. I'm going to go back here. Let's go look at these settings about how we do this and how you can set it. Here's where you can set it to do it weekly, monthly, and I'm going to say every month I want to have Windows come and clean this up. That way I don't have to do it anymore. And I'm going to clean my temporary files. I'm going to do it every 14 days, and I'm never going to have my downloads folder deleted because sometimes I keep important stuff in there. And here's the new part that you get when you get the new October update, and this is the locally available cloud content. So it will show you all of your SharePoint and OneDrive sites. You can set here how you want them to clean it up. If it's not been open for more than 30 days, then it will become online only. Of course, you can still see it with files on demand, but you'll just have the cloud by it. I'm going to just clean it right now. It shouldn't take too long because I don't think I have too much in there. Well, that is still running, but let's go ahead and look at the disk cleanup app. And we'll just take a look at what that looks like. And so this is the old familiar look that we've always seen. It is kind of hard to read. The new format is actually quite nice. All of these things here are available for you to get rid of, and then here are the system files. If you want to clean up that, then it will pull that up and show you the different system files, and it's taking a bit to build that because it's going to find that 3.6 gigs, I'm assuming. So yeah, so there it is. That Windows update is there. And then when you're ready, you just click OK, and that's how it cleans it up. I'm going to cancel out of that. So I just wanted to give you a look at the new way versus the old way of doing this, and I hope you will start utilizing it, set it to your preferences, and that way you don't even have to bring it up every month. All right, so that's it for now. I hope you subscribe to my channel for more interesting and useful videos.